Ndeonu Mama Jesus. Afamobo, Madam Teresa, all the way from Abagana. A woman whose fragrance now is soul awakening. Oh yes. Ikulisi motua ikulisi yoma, anahe kudieku. Oh mama, most of you afunotua, you radiate beauty. Hey! And in a bad jollo, people cannot take their eyes off of you. You get a fellow like this, deodorant Ganis, your one maranas. What fragrance do you use? Ebe okwu ga-adịzi bụ ichepụ afe. Iyipụ know your clothing. Uno niile kochie. You're a woman, ichepụ your clothes like this, brag, the odor that exudes from your bra alone and gorges the whole place.
She what?
Ibu nwoke, ịbata na room otu a yipụ afe. Ijiji na-efepụ efepụ. Imagine where ijiji na-efepụ efepụ because of you. There's an issue. How can you dress really well? Mana chita no panty, chita no your boxers, tinya n'ime mmiri. Tea is ready. Immediately, egbe tea, sharp. My goodness. Ijelo no afia like this. Enyege white bra, mob white boxers, mob white pant. It's a fanbow. Cholomon keri daka. Because you know that in a short time, the color of that white underwear, a blend there now with your skin tone, if not a darker shade. You don't know if any idiot. Ijo no na madama nuisi or my jo no ni manyalo megaka. Batalanyage. Because you cannot radiate beauty while within able nonsense. Oh no, that's not how it's done. Beauty without, beauty within. That's what we preach. Inside and out. Be warned. Be warned. Cardinal.